Hello, yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to Tech Knowledge. In today's video, we are going to see the one of informative example. Write a program to find a square with a given variable s and r and display the value on output screen. So let's get into the video. First of all, we write here our basic code. Basic code is hash include studio.h, and the second one is hash include conio.h. This is our second header text. After that, we use main function. With main function, the open curly bracket, the close curly bracket. In these brackets, we write here our code. So in question, here we are have two variables s and r. So we have to take that variables as a variable, that alphabet as a variable. So first we take integer because we give it an integer value. So int, we take s comma r semicolon. After that, for clear screen, we type clear screen and semicolon, and give the value for variable r. Like we want to find the square of 5. After that, we have to store our variable in s. So we have taken a r. So we want to multiply that r two times of r. So we type here r into r. After that, we have to print. We have to use printf function for which message we have to print on an output screen. So we type printf in double quotes the square of r is. Don't forget to write %d because of the decimal number, and write here which variable we have to print. Give semicolon, use get ch for get characters. That's all. This is our program. So we run and then find what we are making. Control F9. Here we get one error. So we are seeing what error is. We write here A. This C programming is case sensitive, so that's why we have to write spelling and use. So see here, the square of 5 is 25. So this is our program. This how you see how we can find the square for any number. This is the informative example or informative program. You have to learn this program, or you have to perform this program and practice it, because use after using this program you will get any square of any number. Like if you don't know the square of 1000, that's also you find here. The square of 1000 is 16960. The square of 10 is 100. So this is the example. So thank you for watching this video.